Hello, 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 hello. It is good to see everyone. I am trying to, let's see what we can do here. All right, let's see. Hmm. All right. Hey Keith, how you doing? All right, welcome. I am putting a video together, starting a new live session. So basically, what I'm doing is I've started a Patreon page, and it's all about helping the podcast and everything like that, and this site grow. So what I'm doing as part of that Patreon page is I offer live sessions where I come on a couple of times. Hey, David. I come on a couple of times a week, and I do whether I'm auditioning or whether I'm working, and I come out live and I just go ahead and perform and do what I do and have people, so they can watch me do it. But this is, hey Andrew, this is I try to post some things in the group, but I know it was a little weird. And what happens is you'll end up going to, this is for people who join the Patreon group, the community, and but I wanted to share what I'm doing with the group so that they could see everything that's going on. So tonight I'm working on a really fun read. It's a character. It's for a Kickstarter campaign, and I wanted to come on and do the last part of it for you guys so that you could watch while I record. And that way it would just be kind of a fun thing. And this is kind of what I do as part of being a patron of a VO's journey. You'll have access to this and everything a couple times a week, plus a whole lot of other benefits, including the new Fiverr video or the new Fiverr training I just put together. But anyways, to get to it, I wanted to go ahead and do this for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions or anything with it, this is a video for a Kickstarter campaign, as I was saying, and it basically is a character for a card swap game, and they wanted kind of like this creepy, crazy ringmaster, or like a ringleader. So I've done two parts. This is for the last video. Okay, so I'm gonna hit record. I'm gonna go ahead and record this while you guys watch. And I'm actually going to be doing this in my editing studio with the microphone. It really is, with the Electro Voice. It's incredible that I can get actually a pretty decent sound in here without having issues. And then as I process it, it sounds fantastic. So I'm actually pretty happy. I still use my booth, of course, for everything, but I actually recorded this for the client and they liked it on this microphone in here. So I'm going to do it for them. Okay, so here we go. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to put this up here. Hopefully you can hear everything. All right, so here we go. And I might have to stop and everything while we do this, but we'll see. All right. Ignoring the ominous "no experience necessary" sign hanging next to the Hungry Lion, you and your friends decide to start a new career in the traveling sideshow. But beware. Competition for the best job is fierce, and your friends will do whatever it takes to win, including sabotaging your plans for sideshow supremacy. Blink, and you might miss something. If you enjoy games like Exploding Kittens or Night Werewolf and Love Letter, then you'll love Sideshow Swap. We almost guarantee it. Sideshow Swap is a fun, deduction-style social game for 2 to 8 players, full of whimsical old-world characters. It's super easy to learn, fast pace, and almost anyone can play it. You'll love the surprise endings. So, grab your top hat, wax your mustache, and let the show begin. Note on the word. Oh wait, I don't know if that's okay. So that was crazy. I don't know if that came through to you guys. But on the script at the end, It says, note on the word friend sounds sarcastically or a little drawn out. See inflection reference for that. I didn't get an inflection reference, but I don't know which part. I just got going, so who knows what that is. All right, but now I need to get the all right, shows games, setup and how it plays games, Kickstarter video, inflection reference for the word friends. Oh, here we go. So it's on the bottom. Well, guys, post that in there and see, or put some. I'd love some comments to see what you thought about that read. I hope you liked it. And basically, I'm gonna go to this reflection thing. I'm trying to think of where the friends. Hey, Jeff, how you doing? Hey, Jay, how you doing? So that's the section there on how I did that. And what I want to do is I wonder if I can share. I wonder if I can share my screen with you guys. Can I do that? I don't know if I can. I'm not sure if I can. Well, I wish I could, but I can't. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let's play with this here and let's see what it sounds like. All right. And I'm going to compress it. You don't need to do a lot because this is a really nice mic in the fact that did I point the right way? Yeah. And the fact that it does a really good job giving a nice full voice. But I was pretty loud. It's probably because I was excited because I know you guys were watching me. But, all right, I'm going to add that. So I'm just going through my chain that I normally go through, which is normalize, compress, or EQ, normalize, compress, and normalize. And then since I'm out here, I did some NS1 to it. And then at the end, I do a little hard limiter with an input boost. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but here we go. I'm going to start it.
Ignoring the ominous no experience necessary sign hanging next to the hungry lion, you and your friends decide to start a new career in the traveling sideshow. But beware, competition for the best job is fierce. And your friend will do whatever it
can you guys hear this? Hopefully you can.
Sabotaging your plans for sideshow supremacy.
I don't know if you guys can hear that.
Blink and you might miss something. If you enjoy games like
Can you hear that?
Kittens or Night Werewolf and Love Letter, then you'll love Sideshow Swap. We almost guarantee it.
All right. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Listen, when you're doing a character like that, I'll have to watch back on the video and what I look like. But the key that I find is get your face going, have some fun with it, and really go crazy. So there was 3 parts to this. There was it's about 800 words, and it was just a character voice just like that. And the client paid me $150 to do it. And I'm just finishing it up here. They hired me earlier today. So I just finished just right there while we were talking. I finished edit. I pretty much did a pretty decent read. So I don't actually need to do much to it because I just went ahead and mastered it, or I edited it. And then I put those little bells and whistles on the end, and it sounds pretty good. So with the other three, it's about 5 minutes total, and it's $150. So turned out pretty good. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed at least watching me read a little bit. I know it's about a minute or so, but nobody commented or anything. So either A, you're shocked that you saw me do that, or B, you're just kind of watching. Hey, Jim, how you doing? I know some people are coming in late. It was a fun character. I suppose just for people, I had some more. I don't know if you guys are commenting. I'm just not seeing it. But if anybody leaves a comment or anything, I hope I can see it. I see people joining. I just don't see any comments. But anyways, so it was for a sideshow, like I was saying, and this is 3 parts. The first part was the setup to the video. And trying to think about the setup. So the setup was something like Sideshow Swap consists of 3 basic components: performers, tickets, and bucks. Shuffle, then deal a performer to each person playing. Then place 5 performers face down in the center area. For 7 or 8 player games, only put 3 cards in the center area, not 5. Without looking, Put the rest of the performers in the box. They won't be used in this game. This way, we don't know all the performers in the game. Next, deal everyone 3 tickets. So when I did the sample, that was the kind of voice I wanted to do for some people that were coming in. I just did the end of this job that I was hired for today. But when I did this and I sent the samples to the person, they actually really loved. They were like, "That's amazing. Make sure you put those laughs and giggles in it and stuff like that, because it, you know, kind of makes it interesting." So anyways, like I was saying, I wanted to come on live and do this for the Facebook group, so that you guys can kind of see what's happening over at the Patreon page. I posted that in our Facebook group too on that last post I did. And basically over there for it's the Patreon page is a support for Avio's journey. And if you you know, check it out and everything, I do things like this live. And when I'm working or I'm auditioning or I'm doing things like this, but I wanted to come on tonight and do something in the Facebook group too, so you guys could see it. Well, hey, thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. What the Patreon group is about, though, is just about helping support doing like this extra content for you guys, because I love helping you, but it does take a lot of time. So it just kind of helps me be able to keep creating the content for you guys while I'm, you know, also trying to do work, so that I can, you know, not maybe do as much of the other work and create as much content as I can for you. So check it out. You know what I mean? There's a bunch of different things. I offer coaching and demo services over there as well and things like that. So it's kind of cool. So check it out. Let me know what you think. But anyways, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you got a good laugh, like watching me do my crazy voices. All right. You guys have a great night. Talk to you later. All right. Bye.